Build your own AI agent in just a few simple steps. Open the platform. Go to Folders and click New Folder. Name the folder. Pick a folder color. Now add your custom prompt. Turn on mandatory tools, especially the math solver for finance calculations. Click Create. Now that everything is set up, start exploring by asking questions. Now you have the information in a fraction of a second. Imagine doing this manually, going through reports, running market analysis, identifying problem statements, comparing competitors. It would take hours. Here, the answer is instant. All your financial knowledge is now in one place, with endless possibilities. You can build agents for journal entries, for analyzing accounting statements, for interpreting financial statements, for data analysis, and many more. One prompt, one folder, and you're ready. So this is how you build it. Simple, powerful, and scalable. Now think, how many more agents can you create for your team?